Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison, and it's time for a walk around. And with our beautiful weather we've been having that we thought we might escape for all of the month of December, I thought it would be great to highlight a vehicle that has some fantastic capabilities for any weather you throw at it. I'm here with a gorgeous 2024 Kia Sportage X-Pro Prestige. Now with this guy, you have effectively all the equipment you can think of in terms of creature comfort and technology. You have adaptive cruise control, lane following assist, all the latest and greatest safety features, as well as heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, panoramic sunroof. So everything to keep you comfortable and safe, and it looks fantastic. We have the jungle green with the black roof package, truly one of the best looking ways to get this car. And beyond that, whether you're in Wisconsin or maybe out in the desert on some sand dunes, you have 18-inch wheels with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. And let me show you how much space you have with this guy. While being considered a compact crossover, you have an amount of space that really defies the class. Ample amount of cargo space in the rear, additional hidden storage space underneath with your spare. And if you need even more, you can pop down your second row of seats with the little levers back here. Power liftgate, of course. And if we go up to the front, I'll show you my favorite area is right up in the driver's seat. And this one, you have the beautiful sage interior color package, 12.3-inch center touchscreen display, 12.3-inch gauge cluster screen as well. So really feels like you're in a spaceship, but in the best way possible. So if you're looking for a vehicle that's ready to take on what winter throws at you, as well as any other environment you can think of, you can't go wrong with the Sportage. Come check one out today.